Hello everyone, is your mouse lagging, stuttering or just feeling sluggish on Windows 11? This video has the fix. Let's jump right into it with a few proven methods that will make your mouse feel smooth and responsive again. The first fix is to turn off scroll inactive windows. Right click on the start menu icon. Click on settings. On the left pane, click on Bluetooth and devices. Then you scroll down and then click on mouse. Now head down and toggle off this option. Toggle off scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. That simple switch often eliminates mouse lag instantly. The second fix is to disable pointer trails. Again, right click on the start menu icon, then select run. Type main.cpl. Then you click on OK. This will open the mouse properties window. Now click on the pointer options tab. Head down and make sure display pointer trails is unchecked. Then you click on OK. Pointer trails can cause input lag on some systems, especially with certain mice or graphics settings. The third fix is to reinstall the mouse driver. If the issue still persists, it might be your mouse driver. Click on the Windows search icon, type Device Manager, click on it to launch it. Now search for mice and other pointing devices, then you expand it. Now right click on your mouse driver and select Uninstall. You will get this warning telling you about to uninstall this driver from your system. Go ahead and click on Uninstall. Now restart your PC to reinstall the driver automatically. But since your mouse might not work after uninstalling the driver, here is how to reboot your system using just your keyboard. Press the Windows key to open Start menu. Use arrow keys to navigate to the power icon. Just press on the up arrow key to select the user account. Again, click on the right arrow key to select the power options. Then you hit enter on your keyboard. Now, use the down arrow key to select the restart. Then you press enter on your keyboard. Windows will reinstall the driver during reboot and your mouse should be back to normal. That's it. With these three simple steps, your mouse lag and stuttering should be completely gone. If it helped, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more tech tips. See you in the next video.